Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change currency on Roblox. So first is first, you have to go and open your Roblox and then tap on the Roblox item or Roblox icon here on the right side. As you can see, if you tap on this buy Roblox, you will see the current currency that you're using. Now I'll be showing you two ways on how to change this one. The first method is by just installing or adding VPN to your Chrome. You can go to your Chrome web store and then search for any free or available VPNs. So type Chrome web store and then here a search for VPN. You will see available VPN. And all you need to do is to install or add this to your Chrome. So to add, you just have to click, tap on add. And as you can see, I'm currently using this VPN right here. Just tap this button to connect to a specific country or region. Now, once you're connected, you can go back to your Roblox and see if this method worked. Mostly, it worked in some VPNs and Roblox account. But in case it's not, then the next thing to do here is to just go to their customer service and then ask them to at least change your currency for the meantime because you wanted to buy a Robux. So all you need to do is to enter the information needed, username, email. For device, you can select Chromebook. And then for category, you can choose from any of this here. For example, billing, something like that. For the message, you can copy the message that I'm about to show you right now. You can create your own. Here in the message, you can tell them that you would like to request assistance with changing the currency displayed in your Roblox. And you can add here your username, email, and then you can ask them if there are any possible adjustments in order for you to change your currency. Then you just have to send and wait for the Roblox to answer you or help you with this matter. Take note, Roblox may not always allow currency changes directly. Usually it's tied to your region settings or payment method. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.